Hi, I'm Julius from Sistema Solutions, and I'm here to show you about one of the updates Microsoft released for 2022 Release Wave 2 for Business Central. And that update is flexible sorting in the Planning Worksheet page. Microsoft is aligning ways you can work with Planning Worksheet and Requisition Worksheet pages by enabling you to sort lines on both pages by choosing a column name. This update in particular involves the Planning Worksheet page, which we can get to by using the search bar at the top of the page and typing in Planning Worksheet. Clicking on the relevant link, which will take us to the Planning Worksheet page. The Planning Worksheet page is still slightly different than the Requisition Worksheet page because it can be used for multi-level production orders. By default, lines are sorted by the item number field, as you can see. To show lines of multi-level orders, sort by the reference order number field to group different items from the same order. MPS order and planning level fields can also help clarify the hierarchy of lines. So in this page, we can see that we're able to sort flexibly by selecting any column we wish and selecting the relevant filter. The original filter capabilities are still here, as we can select filter, so we can bring up the filters to the left and then manually filter on our own. Microsoft hopes that this update will make working on the planning worksheet feel easier and more accessible because of this new flexible sorting method. We hope you are able to use this update to its fullest. Thank you.